guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be finishing up the Honda dirt bike build today. As you can see, Mike's here like always. He's the best. He comes out and helps me when I have no motivation. But yeah, so we're gonna be finishing the dirt bike build. Gonna be putting the motor back together, try and get it running, and hopefully try to ride it today. That'd be cool. Figure it out. Alright, so we went ahead and put the water pump on. The motor is actually like pretty much back together. Story is your boy got caught up with the E36 build, so he couldn't finish it. So I had Cyclefax up in Auburn, California, finish the whole rebuild for me. So they redid the bottom end and the top end. So now with that being done, the motor's like free, like really fresh. So it should be good to rip. Alright guys, it's a little later. The camera died, so I've had it on the charger now, and so you guys missed me putting it all back together. Sorry about that. If you have any questions, just drop a comment down below and I'll answer them about putting the motor back in and stuff like that. So here she is. Top end's in, carburetor, radiator. I left the front sprocket at home. I mean, at the shop. It's in my toolbox, so I won't be able to ride it today. Possibly tomorrow, though. So we have the gear oil in, and then obviously we're just gonna try it with like some starting fluid just to see if it will crank over. But yeah, so here we go. So first start. Dude, that's third fucking kick. What? Started. It fucking started. Holy shit. I'm about to go get that spark gear right now. Alright guys, you heard it. It started for like 2 seconds. So yeah, we're gonna put the plastics on, and then tomorrow I need to go get 2-stroke oil. I need to get some coolant, and then the front sprocket. And if we get it running, might be able to ride this bitch tomorrow. But yeah, so super thankful. Mike always coming through with helping me with all my projects and shit. It really helps getting things done just because I just don't have the motivation sometimes. So with him being here, it really did help me. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this, get this bike running, maybe ride it for the season. But yeah, so thanks guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow. What's going on guys? Day 2. So we have the bike right here. I went to Cycle Gear, and luckily they're open on Sundays. I got a brand new chain. I got some 2-stroke oil. Got a funnel and a pre-mix clip. And I have gas around here somewhere. But so now we just gotta put the chain on and then mix some gas and get it started again. So let's pull it out and get started. here's the front sprocket gear. Just put it on right there. Alright, I got the chain on. Not too much play, just a little bit. And yeah, so. Alright, all we have to do is pre-mix and add some fuel and start her out. Alright, so I put 2 gallons into the bike. So with this premix cup, you go to 2 gallons. We're gonna go for a 32:1 ratio. So I'm gonna fill that much up right here with oil. We're gonna put it in oil in the bike and then shake the bike back and forth. I don't want to destroy this gas can because we use it for a lot of other things. So as long as I give it a good shake, then the mix should mix good and should start, which I'm super excited. Alright guys, she runs and it's fucking nutty. I can feel the power band, but it's not fully hitting because something with the carburetor, like the idle adjustment, I'm not to mess with it, and yeah, because it doesn't stay idling. But yeah, I can feel the top of the power band, and it's not even like 100%, it's like 50. It's pretty, it's crazy. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Again, make sure to hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys ride or what's the craziest bike you've ridden. And make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to stay tuned for all of my videos. Thanks again. See you next time.